Try.
He's grumpy again. Hi guys, this is Renelle from Carter's Adventures Vlog and today's nandito lang tayo sa bahay natin. So guys, may madaldal po. Ginagaya po yung mga nagsasalita sa TV. So bisitahin po natin siya. Tumigil na pala. Hello. Hello. Hello, Dad. Nanonood po ng teleseries. Ayan. So guys, ang gamit ko pala ay Samsung S10. Tapos itong Boya microphone. So, nagamit na natin siya. Kasi wala siyang, wala akong mailagay, hindi ko mailagay yung cord dun sa Canon G7X. So, kailangan palang maglagay ng i-connect itong Boya sa phone para ma-record yung boses ko. So Lindsay is preparing all the stuff for tomorrow, ready for tomorrow.
Try.
He's grumpy again.
What do you mean again? I'm never grumpy. Never.
So because is it Friday the Easter, Daddy?
Good Friday.
Good Friday. Good Friday's, yeah, tomorrow. So we're going to the farm tomorrow, guys, to relax and celebrate. Not celebrate, just
Yeah. Celebrate Easter.
celebrate Easter, yeah. But
If you want to celebrate it,
yeah,
don't have to.
you have to. I am Catholic, so we're gonna celebrate it. So Daddy, what we got there, Daddy? Can you please take that take the clothes bag to the
I have
inside?
yours.
Yeah, so I can repack it. So this is my husband's plants here. Look at that, he's doing great, eh? Look at that. That's his chili. What else? What did you say, Daddy? That one?
Especially.
Just leave it there so I can repack it later tonight. What time are we going to the shop?
Soon.
Soon. Yeah. So I washed clothes the other day. It was rainy yesterday and today. Today's not really, but it's not sunny. So, pero it's already dry, so I'm gonna fold it later. And wash Daddy's work clothes and ready for Tuesday. Are you going to work on Tuesday or you didn't accept any jobs?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Next
Tuesday,
week.
Wednesday after you.
Oh, you have to. Okay.
And then Thursday's off, and then we go back to work Friday, and then the weekend I'm trying to have Friday off.
Alright, alright. Friday off. Why is that?
Because you got Thursday off. Because Thursday's
So are we
Music
going
day.
to get the wood? Because it's getting cold now.
soon. Not this weekend.
No.
I got to go out there just to get wood. I can't go out there and enjoy myself. Can't I get wood because
Yeah.
too much shit.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what we have here in our camping car. So we have this trailer to put all the stuff that we can put in the car, like beddings, bag clothes, what else? What else you put there? Tent, yeah. So because
Chainsaw.
we can put it in our car.
Petrol,
So we got
batteries.
this rubbish bin. Yeah, this is the rubbish bin. So just to, to be responsible camping in that area. not chucking any rubbish. We take them home. And then what else? So I'm gonna show you guys. We have, this is Toyota 2004 100 series, is that correct? Yeah, we got Toyota 2002, I think 2002 100 series. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Yes, Dad, we're going to the shop. So hi guys, we're going to the shop soon.
Top.
Tarp. Do we need tarp for tomorrow?
I don't know.
I think we need to. So guys, this is our Toyota 100 series 2002. So Lindsay and I have, we bought this. We have I think we bought this for $17,000, and we added some stuff like the, what's that at the front, Daddy? This thing. What's this? Ah, no, we didn't. This one is already included. But we bought this thing here. I'm gonna show you guys. So we bought this one, so we can put the extra, that one there. I don't know, front bar, is it rear bar? Yeah, we call it rear bar. So we can put the extra tire and this rubbish bin and the two water jug. Yeah, so that one I think is around $3,000. Yeah, I think it's $3,000. Yeah, so that one, so we can put all the stuff that we need. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. We have fridge here as well, and using the solar system, the solar that we got on the roof, dun siya kumuha ng power. So this is our fridge, guys. I think Lindsay bought this for second hand, around $300, and that's all we stopped we got there. So we're gonna go to the shop tonight to buy some stuff for tomorrow. So this is Reese's car seat for his safety and his toys. Lots of toys, is it? So that one there. Yeah, it's getting there.
Hi.
What's that, Daddy? Yeah, that's the one. Getting ready now. We're excited. Yay! And my husband bought another flowers. He loves planting. Look at that, guys. Oh, plants everywhere. So I'm gonna show you guys. Where's our chooks? Sanchai! Sanchu is dead, guys. Our baby. Our chickens. She's not giving us any eggs, but that's okay. We're gonna get another chook soon, because we need eggs so we can make leche flan. Sunshine! Sunshine! Where's Sunshine? She's not here. She's out. Ah, she's walking around. Sunshine is walking around. Sunshine! Sunshine! Come here! Sunshine! Hello! Sunshine! Come here! Sunshine! Sunshine! She's very healthy. She's spoiled by his dad. Lindsay's his dad. I'm the mom. So where's Matley? I wanna show Matley. So here's the boys. Reese is watching telly while Matley is having a nap. Male! Look! Come here. Come here, baby. Huh? How are you? How are you? You been a good boy? Huh? Matley is 9 years old. He's looking after our baby boy. He's looking after his brother. Huh? Good boy yan, good boy. May arthritis na po ang baby namin ngayon. Pinainom namin siya ng ng heartworm. Ito dito sinesend sa amin itong Betwest. binigyan na, kinuha na namin siya ng parang alam niyo yung ano, dog insurance guys, kasi every year ang ginagastos namin sa kanya, ano na eh, $1,500 Australian dollars every year. So, kumuha na kami nung parang insurance para sa kanya. Di ko pa na babacuum iyang ano, carpet. So, yun guys.
Hello, Riscata. Is it me you're looking for? On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart.
Huh? Mama? Who's mama? Who's your mama? Ahem. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Am I your mama? Mama. And that's all for today, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I see you next time. Bye!